You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to AGORACOM, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on AGORACOM this year. AGORACOM, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning. It's Tuesday, December the 2nd, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Hopefully you all got a chance to catch a game yesterday. Unfortunately, Jacksonville did not show up. They gave up halfway through. Lost a little bit of cash, but I know some my co-employees here made some money. Now, I've got 4 great press releases for you this morning. 3 from the Canadian side, 1 from the U.S. side. No halts to report on at this time. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story this morning, West Timmins Mining trades on the TSX under the symbol WTM. The company announced that drilling on the company's 100% owned Thorn property in Timmins, Ontario has continued to expand the Golden River West zone. We've got highlights from their hole drill program, which includes hole number 27, which returned 31 meters of 1.25 grams per ton of gold, which includes 1 meter of 12.75 grams per ton of gold. And we've got hole number 28, which was a total of 37.5 meters, containing 1.6 grams per ton of gold. And included within that, we've got 1.5 meters of 25 grams per ton of gold. A little bit about the company. West Timmins Mining is focused on the exploration and development of district-scale gold and related base metal projects in the major gold camps of North America. Companies last at 20 cents off their high of $1.04, and their low for their 52-week low is 15 cents. Their current market cap is approximately $17 million. Moving on to Skygold Ventures, they trade on the venture under the symbol SKV. The company's identified new high-grade gold intersections in assay results from 2008 Spanish Mountain Drill program, and this property is located in central British Columbia. Highlights include hole number 823, which is the main zone. They intersected 16 meters of 3 grams per ton of gold, and that includes 0.75 meters of 50 grams per ton of gold. We've got hole number 15, which intersected 9.5 meters of 5.72 grams per ton of gold, and included within that, we've got 26 grams per ton of gold over 1.5 meters. Now, a little bit about the company. They're a Vancouver-based mineral resource exploration and development company with a 100% interest in a Spanish Mountain project, which is located in the Caribou Mining District. The company's last at 9 cents, 52-week high of $1.03, low of 3 cents, and the market cap of approximately $9 million. Moving over to Orko Silver Corp, they trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol OK. The company is announcing that they've received further assay results from its ongoing diamond drill program at La Preciosa project, which is located in Durango, Mexico. Highlights are hole number 280, which yielded a true thickness of 6.74 meters, grading 1.1 grams per ton of gold, 562 grams per ton of silver, for a silver equivalent of 628 grams per ton. Now, within this intercept, we've got 3.99 meters. For all intents and purposes, we've got 4 meters, grading 1.82 grams per ton of gold, and a whopping 927 grams per ton of silver, for a silver equivalent of basically over 1 kilogram. A little bit about the company. Orko Silver's principal project, La Preciosa, which is located near the city of Durango, Mexico, is an advanced silver and gold project, and the deposit remains open in all directions and to depth. Company's last at 43.5 cents, high of 213, low of 28 cents, and the market cap of approximately $46 million. Finally, moving over to the U.S. side, company's called Viaspace. They trade on the OTCBB under the symbol VSPC. This is more of a story of interest for anybody that's interested in alternative energy and biofuels. The company has announced they're cultivating a new fast-growing hybrid grass to be used in the production of ethanol, methanol, biocrude, and green gasoline. Now, 6 months ago, I would have said this was exciting stuff. Now, with oil down at $50 per barrel, maybe not so exciting, but something you might want to put on your radar. They're focusing on the development of feedstock for sustainable biofuels, targeting the growing $25 billion global biofuels market. They expect to generate $20 million in revenues in the next 2 years, selling this high-yield grass for alternative fuels, as well as livestock feed. And finally, they state that the U.S. Department of Energy expects global production of biofuels to more than double by the year 2030, projecting output will increase from 1.3 million barrels per day in 2010 to 2.7 million. A little bit about the company. They are committed to alternative energy and green technologies. Companies last at 1.3 cents, high of 11 cents, low of 1 cent, market cap of approximately $6 million. I've got no halts to report on at this time. However, if you are interested in stock halts, please visit our friends at stockhalt.com. They send you instant notifications as soon as a company halts and as soon as it resumes trading. It's your best opportunity to make money and capitalize on stock halts. That's a wrap for this morning's show. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.